Morning, boys. Better? Morning, boys. Is this better? Gonna start like in 2 minutes, guys. That's everybody hopping, and then we'll start in 2 minutes. All right, guys. Let's start this thing right now. Good morning. All right. What we got today? Morning newsletter. Let's pick it up. We got 1 p.m. bond auction, guys. So possible I'll be waiting for 1 p.m. to see what's happening at 1 p.m. Possible we can get a move at that 1 p.m. bond auction. The big one to watch today, right? We got some Fed speakers and all that also, but the 1 p.m. will be very important to watch. Now, ES, this morning, nice breakout upside about that Monday's high, 77, Tuesday's high, 77 level, Monday's high, 77 level. Very good level, 83 now, also breaking out this Monday's highs. Even this pre-market last night, overnight highs, breaking out upside, going to 49.97. 5,000 is going to be a very, very, very psych level, boys, to watch, because you know what's going to happen at 5,000. It's going to be a lot of buyers and sellers stacked over there at 5,000. So we'll be watching there at the tape what's going to happen at 49.97, 5,000. Maybe could be a trap over there upside, not sure. We're just going to keep watching, guys. Like you guys see already now on the book map, you can already see big guys stacked over here at 49.95. So possible when we get to 5,000, we're going to see also what's happening in the book map, what's happening on the level 2, and continue watching over there. I would say above 5,000 could be a trap, and then just pull the rug downside. Going to be all over the markets. Oh, S&P 500 above 5,000, blah, blah, blah. SPY above 500, and then everybody's going to get in, and then going to drop downside. So I'll be watching that, guys. Now, if we get a pullback at 83, could be a good support. Could be a good support. Now, you want to see this highs hold, right? This highs over here come and hold. So that could be the big support if we come back and retest, right? So I'll be watching 83 as a support, 77 as the support zone now. Yes. you guys have any question, just type it out in the Discord and I'll answer before the stream is done. Let's talk about the NASDAQ. So same thing, NASDAQ is coming into a big resistance over here, guys. I will be very careful. 1 second, why is this not loading? Yeah, there you go. So you can see NASDAQ coming to a big resistance, guys. Boom, rejected. Got here, coming in here. So we are coming into a big resistance. Gotta watch out, guys. So here, we'll see what's gonna happen. Are we gonna break it upside or not? You know, or are we gonna get rejected again? To go longs over here in the top is not an option, guys. Shouldn't go long in the top warrior. Let it break out, get a retest, then have a small stop, and then you go long. And pullback should be at these levels. You can see how these levels came back. Yesterday, she did give a bit below it, came to Monday's lows, and got bought up again. Beautiful. All right, Apple. Apple was very strong yesterday, guys. One of the strong stocks, I would say. Coming into this is our pivot today, 189, and that's a support, right? So let's just make this green now so it becomes more variable, nicer. So Apple want to see this resistance now, see what happens at this resistance, guys. Remember earnings? This is basically where the earnings candle came and got dropped off. Gotta watch this 190, 194 going upside down on Apple. It's gonna be the key one to watch, see if she can break it upside and go upside, guys. She was very strong yesterday with all that Vision Pro and all that stuff. Talk about Roblox very quick. Roblox came to the straight resistance, guys, and got rejected. That level is going to be a very strong level. So if you guys are trading Roblox, I know there's a lot of hype on this right now. Watch this level. It's a big resistance, guys, on the daily chart. You can see boom, boom, right? And we're coming straight into there. So just got to watch out that becomes a resistance, right? Came here, got rejected. Came here, got rejected, right? We're coming straight in there right now, pre-market, and getting rejected. So just be careful at that level, guys. Could be a good short also over there into over there, come back to 42-ish over here. That's Roblox, ENPH. Congrats, guys, on FSLR. I bought some FSLR also yesterday with Ro. Beautiful trade. I mean, Aman called it out. Beautiful, guys. If you guys are holding it, take profits in the morning. Now, ENPH, show you guys on the daily chart. So you guys can see that 115 level where resistance. Now we're above it, right? So we want to stay above that and push into 120. If that happens, then this is going to be a good zone to go long again, guys, in the future, or just keeps holding this zone. If you guys are long to this, I know Shri loves this name. So if you're long, this could be your stop loss, 115-ish, more or less, and then target should be 139 and upside. EMG. 2056, right? Chipotle had earnings yesterday. Not sure, I didn't see the earnings report, how they but of course after earnings, this thing is a good one to watch. She could give a nice momentum, but I would love for her to pull back at 2506 over here and then take her long into this earnings high candle. Otherwise, no trade for me on this. Shouldn't trade up here, guys. It's gonna be a very tough one. These contracts are wild. Spreads are wild, so just be careful with CMG. Now, AMD could get interesting. AMD's been weak with the other semiconductors that's happening. You can see she is pulling back while NVDA and SMCI and all that were making new highs. So now we got to clear this 169.44 for upside. You can see that's a rejection here. Got to clear it upside. Then we go. If we get a rejection, that could be that pattern A, the pattern B, go to C to 164-ish. This was all-time highs on AMD, guys. 164.46. Could be a good support again to go long. Boom, boom. Dip below it. Boom, right? So Watch that 164. That doesn't hold, then we go to 158-ish, 156. 169 breaks, possible, then go into 175. Gotta watch this low on Monday. See if we can clear 171, 172 into 175-ish. Amazon earnings, nice. Now she's just basically holding. If this zone holds, not a bad spot, like I said, even yesterday to go long. If this zone doesn't hold, then it could be a good short to gap fill this big candle on the daily, on that earning candle. So I'll be watching right now, 170.83, 172 is resistance on Amazon, and then see what happens. But right now, no man's land. As she comes back, 168, 167 could take her long then. That's Amazon. Doesn't hold, guys. This can go lower, guys. If market is weak, watch this one. This could fill the gap very quick. All right, Babalicious. You know, a lot of people love Baba. Put in the watch this again today for you guys after earnings. After earnings, I don't know, there was a buyback and stuff like that on Baba I saw, but can't hold, guys. This is 75.53 that I was mentioning. That yesterday we gapped up. We did get around there if you guys got it, and should have taken profits if you got it because this thing is wild, guys. Now 75.53, guys. That's the key level to break and hold. If we go above there, Baba can make a move upside 77 and then 79-ish upside. If doesn't, possible go back to 70-ish, guys. The next one is Tesla. Tesla, guys. What a beautiful trade yesterday we got in Tesla. That 180 level, like I said, this could be that breakdown, the double bottom, and just got bought up, right? And now 186.78, that was the key level. Been using that pivot point for a long time. Always in this zone we were using as a pivot point. Now we broke it up, and now direction to 194. Like I said yesterday, this could happen. So if you guys got in shares with me in long, this is the target always 194, 196. And then we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Of course, on the way, you can always take some off, right? If you're buying 1,000 shares, 500 shares, or whatever you're buying, 100 shares, take off 50, take out 10, take out 20, whatever, and just keep because Tesla is weak, I would say. I personally think Tesla can go lower, but this is just a nice little small term bottom that goes into resistance and maybe drops again, trap everybody. That's my thoughts on Tesla, guys. All right. Target. The only one you guys want to know about. I haven't charted this in a while. Let me take a look what's happening in the daily. Yeah, I mean, what are you looking for? Investment? I mean, you're looking for investment. Yeah, this is good. But trading wise, this is really, I don't know. Can't trade this thing. Uh, and you could watch this. This is this level 139. 139 is the support where I would say more or less on target. You can see that support, that support, that support. 139-ish, I would say if holds possible can go upside. Rogo, we already spoke about Roblox, bro. Uber had earnings, didn't look that great on Uber. So I would say maybe she can pull back at this possible this zone over here. 66 between 66 and say 67. I would say that's a long, not a bad spot to go long again if she comes and holds this zone over here, 66, 67. Maybe even comes to 63. Let's talk about SMCI, this flag. So this is a nice flag on SMCI. Looks like she wants to break it out. I'm gonna see what's gonna happen with SMCI, guys. See if this black can break upside and go. All right, boys, that's it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream.